Instagram, what did they play? Fat girls. Many of us don't lose confidence. We get low self-esteem. Our morale don't go like bar. We're not feel to talk for public because we feel say we ugly. Everything what we hear every day now, you are fat. Go to the gym. So it don't affect us. We don't enter inside our shell. See my boss, you there, get used to it. Body shamers will not stop. You cannot control what people tell you, but you can control how you react to what people say to you. You are beautiful. Now fat, not keep person. So I did like this too. Nobody find reach me for this life. My confident level, thank God. See people say they cherish. As far as they healthy, fit, and when I do blah blah, if I climb man, my leg not the hook. I'm okay. Where you? Use the headquarters.
You were there since January. The wrong commentary. They fight the enemies when no fight you. They say my enemies will die. They are seeing me. I'm doing one. They share nonsense comment when nobody ask you. How market commentator. Shebi here don't remain 2 months now. You don't take off. Begin work. Nobody they comment about people where they pursue them again. Nobody they pursue anybody again. Everybody don't serious for work. Since January. When you go there, they battle your life. They work to make money. You know you begin to find people when no find you. They comment waiting, they know they make you comment. They find enemy when no find you. Now you don't reach October, see November. You don't the hustle. You don't begin your own hustle. Good morning. See you. You did since January. They battle with organic skincare. You rub here, still you go come out for sun. Your skin will not get continuity. You they worry yourself. Now see I'm now they the wrong commentary for people. Person they work, they succeed. You know, only you go tell us what happened to them. How life they be and how you know they be. Now finally waiting the song. All you go for November, you don't take off. Nobody they comment again, no video, no only picture with the see now. Ndiara. Now they break for your eye. Mugu, now you see.
Instagram, what did they play? Fat girls. Many of us don't lose confidence. We get low self-esteem. Our morale don't go like bar. We're not feel to talk for public because we feel say we ugly. Everything what we hear every day now, you are fat. Go to the gym. So it don't affect us. We don't enter inside our shell. See my boss, you there, get used to it. Body shamers will not stop. You cannot control what people tell you, but you can control how you react to what people say to you. You are beautiful. Now fat, not keep person. So I did like this too. Nobody find reach me for this life. My confident level, hey God. See people say they cherish. As far as they healthy, fit, and when I do blah blah, if I climb man, my leg not the hook. I'm okay. Where you? Use the headquarters.
Okay. Our politicians, men, wear matter, where they wear this kind of clothes. You get what I want to tell you. I want equal secret for you. You see that time when they gather for that house, all of the food for the house, they discuss about the things we don't destroy for this country, and some things we go pack come out, things we go still come out. If we don't watch one for TV, I want equal secret for you. The things where they go through our mind, we angry Nigerians. Very angry Nigerians. See the things where they go through our mind. When we don't gather, they debate. But they talk. I will say bomb today they are where they now. I will say one bomb could just blow beam. Mass barrier. I will say that water where they don't share, that bottle water, say poison down. I will say na sniper they won't share so. I will say all those soldiers and police where they now go verse. Don't say enough is enough. Just change them for them with those guns now. Just pieces all of one. We go just there, they shout, I will say this country go just tumble against una. Una go just there one cargo airline, all of una go just be. Una don't break our heart oh. I just they tell una. Politicians, una don't break our heart oh. Una don't break our heart oh. But yeah, the one.